Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this eye mask three-piece set, and I kind of opened it up already and got a few of the things out, but I didn't quite get through very much. But so you get this whole little fanny pack kind of deal here, and it says sport on it. So kind of nice, lightweight. This is actually good for like travel and stuff because it really is easy to take and stuff like that. And then inside of it, it has the eye eye mask here. We have two sets of earplugs, which is good. Nice to have for the plane. It's nice to have an extra set too, because somehow whenever I wake up, I'm always missing one. And then in here we have our neck pillow, it should be, right? So let's give this thing a try and blow this up too. Let's see, how do we do this? Let's see here. Nope, not that. Oh, wait, maybe. Wow, that's easy to blow up. Look at that. Now I probably blew it up too much. But let's see. So this will go around. Which way does it go around my head? I guess it goes up with the bumps around my head. So I can put it this way. I'm going to take off this vest just to give me a little bit more room here. Okay. And then it's going to match my sweatshirt. Okay, so go like this and this. And look at that, now I have myself a nice rest. So this would actually be good for like the airplane and stuff because it's nice, super easy to carry. It blew up like in a heartbeat. You saw that. And it has this. And then I can put on my little eye mask here. Oh, it's cool. That's great. It's actually cool. And look at that. Oh, it feels it's so soft and cool. I'll show you it in a second. But man, really cuts out all the light and is super soft and really comfy. Look at this. I don't know what it's made of, some sort of microfiber or something that's really soft. And then this side here has like a mesh on it. I guess you could probably wear it either way if you wanted to. But this way is super soft. Oh my gosh, that's great. And then you got the little earplugs, which should be traditional earplugs. Let's see. How do you open it? There we go. So if we open these up, yeah, these are going to be just standard ones here where you kind of do that little twisty thing. You see it kind of twist it up like that and then stick it in your ear and then it expands on its own. I don't need to stick these in my ear currently, but you get the idea. So it comes with all this stuff here. And then I guess when you're done, when you get to your destination and you've slept on it and had all your different locations, whatever, it's really good. It's really nice. Once you've gotten to where you're at and you want to deflate it, it looks like it's super easy. You just go like that and push it in and fold it up. And look at that. How quick and easy is that? That's like the easiest thing to blow up and deflate. So I'm going to say this is awesome. Awesome little set here of all three of these. I could probably roll it up and get more air out if there even is any more. Yeah, there's a little bit of air in there. It's so easy. You just push that little button. And there we are. We are totally deflated. And then we can just put it back in here. So our little travel kit here. Put this in here. If we wanted to have each thing in a different section, then we can put our mask in here. And so that we've got 1, 2 sections, and then we have a third section up front, and we can stick our little earplugs in there. How cute. There we go. Everything's all set. Oh, I guess I zip these open instead of closed. Okay, there we go. Now everything's closed up in there. And how cool. Very nice little setup here. So I like it. Thumbs up for sure.